You want to be successful with shorts on YouTube. The way we're going to do it is we're going to shoot it first. You can be the next successful YouTuber. Hi, I'm Ray Khan. Welcome to Act It, Shoot It, Script It. Here we go. Pirate. She's got the coins. I want the coins. Give me your coins. Ah! Why you? I'm gonna give it. You want to make shorts on YouTube and you want to be successful. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to act it out. We're going to go with the conflict first. We're going to shoot that, and then we're going to upload it and take a look at it and figure out what we want where, and decide then on the setting, the conflict, and the resolution. And that's what you just saw was the act, right? We had the conflict and we had the resolution. The pirate storms off the set. He didn't get anything. Now we just got to decide like what we're going to have in our setting. Are we going to be in Times Square? Are we going to be, in a Mercedes-Benz or a Ferrari? Or are we going to be on a beach in Jamaica? Because pirates like to hang out there. So some stuff to think about. See you next time for another fun episode. Peace.